Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to perform CRUD operation in ASP.NET Core MVC. So first we are going to open Visual Studio. It will take a while, so let's wait. Okay, now click on create new project. Then click on ASP.NET Core Web Application. Okay, we will name it MVC Core CRUD. Let's create a project. Okay, we are going to create web application model view controller. Okay, now our project has been created. First of all, we are going to create a model class. This model class is going to save or record in database. So basically we are taking a class which named a student. Okay, now just create some properties. First type prop and double tap. It will create auto-generate. It will auto-generate a property, name it ID, then create another one, public string name, get set. Now create another property, name city. Okay, meanwhile we must create a database for this. We are going to create in SQL-Server. Okay. We are creating a new database. Create database student db. Refresh, and yes, it has created. Now we are good till now. Now we will add a NuGet package. We are going to add a package name entity framework core.SQL-Server. Let's search it. Microsoft dot entity framework dot Microsoft entity framework core dot SQL server. This one. I am using older framework, so I am going to change version here because it will not support the latest version in this project. Okay, I'm going to use this one. If you are using latest entity framework, and you can use higher version of SQL Server. I'm just gonna use 2.2.2. Let's start. How much time is it gonna take? Oh, it has installed. Okay, let's move forward. Now we will create a class which has name student context. Now we will create a context class to interact with database. Context .cs. It will inherit a class name db context. Press Ctrl dot to resolve this, and it will generate a line here. Now create a constructor here, public student context db context options student context options, base options. Okay, yes, it's fine. And create a property students. Through this property we are going to perform operations on this table through entity framework. This part has done also. Now move forward. Because ASP.NET Core is built with dependency injection, services such as AF Core must be registered with DI during application startup. So we are going to register it. Let's open the startup.cs class. And go to configure services. Where is it? Configure services. Yes, here. Let's write some code here. Services dot add db context student context options dot use SQL-Server. Press control dot. Sorry, you have to use using Microsoft dot entity framework core here. Now it will detect this. Sorry, use SQL-Server. Defined connection string here. Configuration dot get connection string and name it student context. We will define the connection string student context later in this video. Okay, this part has also done. Now move to the application.json where we are going to create connection string. Okay, so create a key connection string. Okay, and inside this key there we will define that name. I have told you earlier that this video is student context. This name and this name should be same. Okay, So just copy it from here and paste here to make sure that there will not be any spelling mistake, and define connection string here. Database student db trusted connection equals to true, multiple active result sets equals to true, I get it done also. Now we just have to run migration so that the class we have created here is student name student, so that it can go into the database. Okay, go to the tool and NuGet package manager console, run a command, add migration initial create. What is this saying? Value cannot be null. Connection string. Where is it? Connection string. Oh, sorry. Here, I forgot to write as it is connection strings, not connection string. So again, rerun that command and let's see what happened. I think it must be good now. Okay, write another command, update database. Okay, we are done now. We can check it here. Yes, table name students has created. Select asterisk from students. Use student DB. Insert into students name, city, values, John, New York. We are just inserting a dummy record so that we can show it in our application. Now we have finished the initial setup of the project. Now we can work on the other things. Okay. First of all, we are going to create a new controller, name, an empty controller. We're gonna name it student controller. Okay, and we are going to create a new action method, name show all students. Let's run the project to check any errors in this project. Wait. Why is it taking so much time? What the hell is happening? Okay, it is our default page and we are going to change it. We can change it from here. Controller name is student and action name we can copy it from here for avoiding any spelling mistakes and further delay. So let's write some lines, private, read only, student, context, ctx, and create a constructor here to allocate the memory to the CTX. Text context CTX equals to context. Sorry. First, we are going to display a list of students in the project. So find list of students where students equals to CTX dot students dot to list and pass the list of students to the view. Now first of all we are gonna create a layout page, and we are going to use that layout page in all the pages. So add to the new item and just search here layout page, layout, razor layout, and we are gonna name it student layout. Okay, add it. Now we are gonna search bootstrap for CDN. And we are gonna copy this path and link here. Link relation equals to style sheet strap equals to this. Creative style equal to width 80% and margin auto, so that it can be displayed on the center. Div class equal to core MD12. Put it under div class equals to row. Paste that render body here. So every child page will be rendered here. Okay, it's done now. We are going to create sole student page. Click on razor view. Okay, and use layout page. Use layout page. Click on share. Use student layout page. It will take a while to generate a code. So just create a row here that will say the class equals to all md12 h3 so students. Okay, now we will create a table to display the students. Div class equals to row div class equals to call md12 table class equals to table border. Table strict. Sorry, I forgot the name. TRTH student name, city, and we are going to use the model we have passed in the action method. Model name is IEnumerable core CRUD dot models dot student. Now look through it. Model dot for each where item in model. Just copy it, paste here. Oh no, copy it and paste here. Item dot name and item dot city. Just create a new cell here for the future use. Action, and here will be our edit and delete links. Let's edit class equals to btn success and btn danger or delete. Okay, let's check how the things are going. Yes, it is working fine. Just change the name students. I forgot to write T. Add a link here for going to the add new students section. Okay, I'm just creating a link, a href. We will define it in future. Just name it add new student. Okay, and define its class btn primary. Okay, now we are going to create a new action method. Sorry, big I action result add student return view. We are going to copy it here. Name of the controller is student and name of the action add student. Just copy it and paste it and write http post. So it is a post method, and pass model here is student model. Okay, I forgot to validate the model, so we can do it now. Just add some data annotation properties required, control dot, enter, copy and paste. Now these fields are mandatory. First check the validation. If model state not valid, then we will return from here otherwise we will go further. Try ctx dot students dot add model await ctx dot I forgot something, async task ctx dot save changes async. Then model state dot add model error message student has saved successfully. Otherwise it is gonna throw exception here, and we will add an error message here. change it. Data has been successful. Data could not saved. Okay, we have wrote method. Now we are going to create a view. Click here and here, use data, everything is okay. I'll just copy some formats from here so that we can save our time. Basically I don't need this, so I'm gonna delete it. No, I'm gonna delete only table. Okay, this link will be changed also. It will named so all students and show all. Name will be changed here also. Add a new student. That's it. Basically it is a form. So write using HTML dot begin form. To name text box for oh sorry, I forgot something. I forgot to mention a model. What is the project name? Core CRUD dot models dot student. Yes, it is working. Student name, and just define a bootstrap class to it. Name forms control. Add a validation message here. And class equal to text danger HTML dot validation message for name. Just copy this and paste. Change the name city. It also be city. Sorry. It will also be city, and it also be city. Okay, just copy the name again and show the message here, which is coming from the controller after saving the data or after error. Span class equals to text error text info. I don't need anything. Just print here. Just print plain. HTML dot validation message for validation message, which has named message. Just need another row. Where we will create a submit button. Sorry, type equals to submit class equals to btn info and value equals to save. Okay, I think we are good now. Let's test this. Here is error. Model directive may only occur once per document. Oh. Okay. I think we can build now. It's fine now. Let's check it. Add new student. Student Michael from Cape Town. Yes, data has been saved successfully. Add one more data. Mohan from New Delhi. Yeah, it has saved. Now we are going to edit the student. For edit the student, just copy this. This method to here and name it edit student. Okay, and pass an ID here and use this method here. Name of controller is student, name of action this, and pass an ID here and value item.id. Now it's fine. Okay, copy it, paste it, write HTTP post and change it to student model. Okay, like add method, let's check validation first. If model state dot is valid, if it is not valid, then return just from here. No need to go further, just return from here. Okay, it's good now. Right, try catch block, try I don't need finally, so I'm gonna delete it. Try, we are gonna write ctx dot entry model dot state equals to entity state dot modified. it should be a sync method. Okay, right now we will write await ctx.save changes async, return redirect to action. After that we are going to move show all students. Okay, in catch block we are going to track exception and write a message. Model state dot add model error message, error on updation, and paste it here. Now we are going to create a view, razor view, basically edit student pages are same, so we are going to copy the whole page and paste it, and just gonna some tweaks, like I don't need this, like change its name to update student. This will be same, this will be same, and I think everything will be same. Okay, let's check it how it is going. Oh, I have done a terrible mistake. I did not find any student here. So let's do it where student equals to ctx dot student dot find id, and just pass this student here. Okay, we are fine now. So edit Mohan to Mumbai and to Aman. Save. Now we have remained only one method, that is delete method. Press Ctrl M. Public action result delete student and id where try catch block. Either way, if it is in try or in catch, we are going to move show all page, return redirect to action, show all students. Perfect. Where student equals to ctx dot students dot find id if a student does not equals to null, ctx dot students dot remove student, ctx dot save changes. I think we are done in the controller now. Let's move to the SOAR student page where we are going to link the delete button. Student slash delete student id equals to item dot id, and we are going to do one thing also. We are going to confirm from the user whether he want to delete or not. So just type pivot return window dot confirm are you sure? Okay, let's check it. Are you sure? No, I'm not sure. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. Now all the CRUD operations have been finished, and thank you guys for watching it. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. And that's it. See you in the next video.